Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious healthy tea. That's going to be strawberry and lemon peel. Very delicious, also healthy and good for your system. Over here I have my pan with some water. So I'm just going to go ahead. We're going to put our lemon peel straight in. Then for the strawberry, you can just cut them up however you want to cut them up. And this, we're going to let this boil for probably about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to pop a lid on. So here I have a piece of, this is lime. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it in some slices. And this is to go on top of my tea or in my tea when I finish. Now I'm going to check on our tea. But you don't have to boil it too much. So that's ready. That's looking lovely already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain this off properly. What I'll be doing now, I'm just going to pass it through because this thing is very good. This one strains off everything. So our lemon skin strawberry tea is ready. What I'll be doing with mine, I'm going to add some lovely organic honey in mine. All of that is personal preference. You don't want to put any honey in yours, you don't have to. But just to add a natural sweetness to this, and also honey is healthy for you. So we're going to pour our tea out. Look how lovely that is. Look at the lovely color. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave a positive comment. So we have to make sure the honey dissolves properly. To take our lemon and strawberry tea, just going to put some berries in and some lemon, whatever you have, just utilize it. Absolutely delicious and fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.